Hi everyone, today I'm diving into the world of natural oral care with the review of the Weleda Salt Toothpaste. So if you're tired of conventional toothpaste and looking for something a little different, stick around because this might be just what you're looking for. So what is Weleda Salt Toothpaste? Well, it's a very unique fluoride-free oral care product that's been making waves in the natural health community. It combines sea salt and gentle mineral cleansers to support your teeth in the natural cleansing process. Some of the key ingredients of this product, which I'll go into, is sea salt. Of course, that's the big salt, big show, big star of the show, big. I mean, I apologize. The star of the show here. Sodium bicarbonate, which helps neutralize plaque acid. They've got myrrh and retinia, which is a herbal extract for oral health, and horse chestnut bark extract, which helps support gum health. Well, there's pros and cons to every product, and let's go over some of the good stuff here. This product does a phenomenal job, in my opinion, cleansing the mouth. It makes it feel a lot fresher than some of the other conventional toothpaste I've used. Gum health is a very gentle formula. My gums feel nice afterwards. There's a potential whitening effect I've noticed with using this. It might be due to the salt compounds within it. I love that there's no foaming agents with this product. It's a more natural brushing experience to me, and it's a very smooth texture. My teeth feel very glossy after brushing with this. Some cons, which some people may not find as cons, but just have to say it out there. There's no fluoride in this, so if you're a person that has a lot of cavities, it may not be best to utilize this product. It's quite a bit of salty flavor. Some people may not like it. It is quite expensive. I mean, this is a 2.5 flow ounce or 75 milliliter container. I mean, I've used a lot of it, but I paid about $6.50 for this very, very small product. So it's very expensive. And due to the salt, it could be a little bit brash on sensitive teeth. So just keep that in mind when utilizing that. But overall, I like the product. If you're looking for something that's natural, fluoride free, good for the oral health, low cavity risk, you want to improve your gum health, then purchase it. If you are high risk for cavities, if you have sensitive teeth, if you can't stand a non-minty toothpaste, I would not purchase it. So overall, is up to your choice. I will leave a link down below in the description if you're interested to purchase this product. And as always, if this video was helpful, please press the like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's going to help out the channel. And comment down below if you used this product. And I want to go ahead and show you what the Weleda product looks like up close and personal. It's kind of looks like a little dark tint grayish to it, but pretty nice. Overall, again, hope this is helpful. Press the like button and subscribe for more videos. I'm reviewing a variety of other natural toothpaste here at the channel. And check you guys out soon. Thanks.